While everyone keeps making bigger RVs, Japan quietly built a smarter one. This is the HiAce Premier M5.7, built on the legendary Toyota HiAce, and by the end of this video you'll understand why many travelers would choose it over motorhomes twice its size. The HiAce Premier M5.7 is one of the most luxurious Japanese motorhomes ever built on the Toyota HiAce platform. Created by RV Bigfoot, this isn't just another camper conversion. It's a purpose-built premium motorhome designed for couples who want to travel in comfort without driving a huge RV. At only 5.7 meters long, it stays compact enough for everyday roads while offering the kind of interior you would normally expect from much larger European motorhomes. With its all-electric power system, high-quality insulation, permanent rear bedroom, and elegant living space, it's easy to understand why this has become one of RV Bigfoot's flagship models. From the outside, the Premier M5.7 immediately looks different from ordinary camper vans. Instead of simply modifying the original van body, RV Bigfoot removes the rear section of the Toyota HiAce Super Long chassis and replaces it with a custom-built fiberglass cabin. This full FRP shell doesn't just improve the appearance, it also increases strength, improves insulation, and creates a much quieter interior while driving. The front still carries Toyota's trusted HiAce design, but as your eyes move toward the rear, the smooth aerodynamic body begins to stand out. Unlike many Class C motorhomes that have a large sleeping section hanging over the driver's cabin, the Premier M5.7 uses a sleek bankless roof design. This gives the motorhome a modern profile while reducing wind resistance, improving fuel efficiency, and making highway driving much more stable. Measuring approximately 18.7 feet long, 6 feet wide, and 9.2 feet high, one of the biggest advantages of the exterior construction is RV Bigfoot's proprietary Fibercore Wall system. These insulated fiberglass walls achieve an impressive R12 insulation rating, helping keep the cabin warm during winter trips and cool throughout hot summer adventures. The roof is equally impressive. A large solar panel array stretches across the top, quietly generating electricity throughout the day. Rather than depending on propane or a noisy generator, the Premier M5.7 stores this energy inside high-capacity lithium batteries, creating a clean and efficient all-electric camping experience. On the passenger side, you'll find a premium insulated entrance door complete with a built-in window and insect screen. Directly above it sits a Thule pull-out awning with integrated LED lighting, instantly transforming the outside into a comfortable campsite lounge during the evening. Around the body, multiple service hatches are neatly integrated into the design. These provide access to the electrical system, shore power connection, and the fresh and gray water tanks, making maintenance simple without disrupting the clean exterior styling. At the rear lower section, massive exterior storage doors reveal one of this motorhome's biggest strengths, a huge basement garage capable of carrying folding chairs, camping tables, outdoor equipment, luggage, and much more. Step inside, and the luxury immediately becomes obvious. Instead of dark colors or cramped spaces often found in smaller camper vans, you're welcomed by an elegant open-concept interior finished in bright white cabinetry, warm natural wood furniture, and soft indirect LED lighting. The bright color palette makes the cabin feel significantly larger than its actual size. Combined with the generous windows and carefully planned layout, the entire space feels airy, relaxing, and surprisingly residential. Another thoughtful detail is the completely open walkthrough from the driver's cabin into the living area. There are no awkward obstacles blocking your movement, making it easy to transition between driving and relaxing. Everything inside feels carefully designed rather than simply fitted wherever space was available. Storage blends naturally into the furniture, lighting creates a cozy atmosphere, and every corner serves a purpose. The front lounge is one of the highlights of the entire motorhome. Rather than using traditional opposing benches, RV Bigfoot designed a true lounge arrangement. A long side-facing sofa combines with an L-shaped seating area around a centrally positioned dining table. Whether you're eating dinner, working remotely, reading, or simply relaxing after a day of exploring, the space feels comfortable enough to spend hours inside. The adjustable table allows multiple seating arrangements depending on your needs. During meals, everyone gathers comfortably around it. Later, it becomes the perfect workspace or entertainment area. When overnight guests join your trip, the cushions quickly transform into a secondary single bed measuring approximately 1,800 by 750 millimeters. This gives the motorhome sleeping space for up to 3 adults without requiring complicated setup procedures. Thanks to the bright windows and carefully positioned lighting, the lounge remains inviting throughout both daytime and evening use. Moving toward the center of the motorhome, you'll find one of the most modern kitchens available in a camper this size. Unlike traditional RVs that rely on propane, the Premier M5.7 operates entirely on electricity through its advanced HiAce power system. Cooking begins with a flush-mounted induction cooktop that provides fast, efficient heating while remaining easy to clean. Next to it sits a compact stainless steel sink with enough workspace for meal preparation. A flip-up countertop extension instantly increases usable workspace whenever needed. Above the counter, a built-in household microwave expands your cooking options beyond basic camping meals. Perhaps the biggest surprise is the refrigerator. Instead of using a tiny camper fridge, RV Bigfoot installs a massive 137-liter two-door household refrigerator with freezer. For longer trips, this makes an enormous difference. You can carry fresh groceries for several days, frozen food, drinks, fruits, and everything needed for extended travel without constantly searching for supermarkets. The clean cabinetry keeps everything organized while maintaining the premium residential appearance throughout the kitchen. Across from the kitchen sits one of the smartest features inside the Premier M5.7, a multi-purpose room. Instead of permanently dedicating valuable space to a single function, RV Bigfoot created a flexible private compartment that adapts to your travel style. It also functions as a large wardrobe for hanging clothes and organizing personal belongings. If desired, it can easily be configured with a portable eco-toilet, transforming it into a private restroom whenever needed. Integrated shelving keeps toiletries, towels, cleaning supplies, or extra equipment neatly organized without occupying the main living area. This versatility makes the interior feel far more practical than many similarly sized camper vans. At the very rear sits the feature most travelers appreciate every single day, a permanent double bed. Measuring approximately 185 centimeters long and 130 centimeters wide, it provides comfortable sleeping space for 2 adults without requiring any nightly setup. That's one of the greatest luxuries while traveling. Large windows surrounding the bedroom allow fresh air and natural light to enter, creating a peaceful sleeping environment. Overhead cabinets wrap around 3 sides of the bed, providing convenient storage for clothing, blankets, books, and other personal items while keeping everything within easy reach. The elevated bed design also creates another major advantage underneath. Storage is where the Premier M5.7 truly separates itself from many compact motorhomes. Because the rear bed is mounted higher, the entire lower section becomes a giant storage garage. The permanent rear bed eliminates daily setup. The huge garage offers outstanding storage. The all-electric design removes the need for propane. Large lithium batteries and solar panels support extended off-grid travel. The compact size makes driving much less stressful than larger RVs. Of course, no motorhome is perfect. The premium price places it beyond many buyers' budgets. Sleeping capacity is best suited for couples rather than large families. And while the compact size improves drivability, it naturally limits interior space compared to much larger luxury motorhomes. Still, for couples seeking a premium touring vehicle, these compromises are relatively minor. Overall, the HiAce Premier M5.7 perfectly demonstrates what Japanese motorhome engineering can achieve. It combines Toyota dependability, premium craftsmanship, intelligent space utilization, impressive off-grid technology, and genuine residential comfort into a package that's still compact enough for everyday driving. Whether you're planning weekend escapes, cross-country adventures, or full-time travel, this motorhome delivers luxury without unnecessary size, making it one of the finest compact motorhomes available today. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments, would you choose the HiAce Premier M5.7 over a larger European motorhome? Or is this compact luxury camper your perfect travel companion?